So my point is that we just have Hollywood standard directors that will not work with amateurs. That's why we suffer. They will not help amateurs and they will not work with amateurs. That's
I strongly believe that I have every right to decline or accept particular roles, and clearly you were aware that I was part of it from the beginning until somehow I feel the script was altered, and I'm not going to be part of all of that. If we could not come up with like a perfect script from the beginning, I wasn't going to be part of the charades that was going on this morning.
When I saw the role, I told the people that wrote the script, I said, I could play any other role, but I'm not doing that particular role. And I made it clear to them. I was expecting a situation whereby we'll have a conversation about it, but definitely it didn't happen. We had a disagreement.
Hey, from now to the end.
no, from
last wager.
He did not say, no, I did not do anything, don't give me.
Bro,
collect
I said
BB
if they had contributed, see, from this wager,
what idea was it?
Last wager till I leave this place.
Was that the only thing that was...
See, you start beg.
Idea. Say he's a better.
You beg me to wake up, you beg me to bath, you beg me to come for breathing. Don't worry.
I hate bullshit.
And if stop begging, I'll tell you no. Start what? Finish what you started.
Everybody is here for himself. And if your own goal is to bring another person down, we are going to have a problem.
Grown men.
Because you're messing with Mamula.
He did it.
He came back. He came back and started picking this.